Which statement best illustrates a business value? Option A. By using this HP Flow MFP solution, you will save the organization $200,000 per year. Option B. By deploying this HP desktop PC, each device will take less than 8 watts when idling. Option C. By upgrading to this HP workstation, you will increase developer productivity by 25%. Option D. By using this HP Flow MFP solution, users will be able to scan multi-page documents with mixed page size automatically. The correct answer is option A. How would you summarize the potential savings that thin client solutions can provide to your customers? Option A. 16% capital cost savings. Option B. 34% less maintenance costs. Option C. 48% lower total cost of ownership. Option D. 79% lower downtime cost per user. The correct answer is option C.
Maybe you're in Australia.
Which HP capability allows users to safely send encrypted files to colleagues? Option A. HP self-encrypted hard drives. Option B. HP Biosphere. Option C. HP WebJet Admin. Option D. HP Trust Circles. The correct answer is option D. What are contributors to document lifecycle management costs? Select 2. Option A. 5 hours per week per person reading books. Option B. 10 hours per week per person handling hard copy records. Option C. 12 hours per year per person reading privacy policies on web pages. Option D. 13 hours per week per person reading and answering emails. Option E. 150 hours per year per person seeking incorrectly filed documents. The correct answer is option B, E.